Well, I've got a couple filters here you may not have seen before, and they are made in Thailand. The company is called Full, Full. They make fuel filters, oil filters, air filters, and cabin air filters. And these filters were sent a few months ago to me. Well, more than a few months. I'm going to say close to like maybe 5 or 6 months ago they were sent to me. I just haven't had time to get to the oil filter stuff. And today I was at my shop and I picked them up, and now here we are. It's full oil filters. These two, the two I'm going to show you here, is a Honda and a Toyota. And there's some impressive filters for the most part. I mean, it's a good filter. Seems like more of a standard filter, but a stronger standard filter. Here's me cutting them open, and I had some. You hear the football game in the background. Let me see how it is first. If it's not too bad, I won't voice over, and you can just see me. I'm not talking during this. I'm just literally cutting them open so you can see what's going on. And I just have to tell you, I'm pretty impressed with it. The most impressive thing is the anti-drain back diaphragm. Really nice diaphragm, and the amount of threads that's in the end of the filter seems like it's a one. Like typically you get like 3 or 4 threads. Both of these had five threads each, which is pretty nice. I like having more thread area on a filter, and I like how they tuck the diaphragm down inside and it really grabs it, and it's really hard to pull it out. That's pretty impressive. And the can seems like it's, substantially thicker than a standard can on most oil filters. Here's me cutting them open. Toyota and Honda.
Forever is the strangest thing. It's shorter than you think. No think. Longing is the music of our sphere. The gift of life is never more or less. It starts at any time you like and ends in just a wink. Pass me the lighter, baby.
So I like these filters. They seem very strong. The can seems like it's thicker than your standard can. The thread area seems like it's thicker than most thread areas. Seems like a really good style OE filter, maybe a little bit better. Without having further specs, I'm looking into the company now. I don't have anything else for you at the moment, but I wanted to do some kind of unboxing and cut open on these. I was asked to, and it seems like the company's been around since 1964. It's based out of Thailand, and as auto manufacturing was increasing, they saw a demand for manufacturing of air filters, fuel filters, cabin filters, things like this. Obviously, cabin filters and stuff at the time weren't a thing, but later they came on board, and they've been around for a little while now. Seems like a pretty good filter. So if you can find a distributor that sells them, I'd give them a shot. It seemed like a pretty good filter.